A man in himself in Kopium Nigeria. Abu Messi Tego Kwaku. I know an head coach, the Black Queens of Ghana. Sika saying, I'm to me at the mom, almost saying, you know, preparation money. Our budget is saying, and they move from the 12 on 10. Now, a man in the Eco Bank, come up at 10 for 25 million. When you're not man, my majesty, my football, move for you, Kroma. Kato Kreku, I only Minister of Youth and Sports, Honorable Mustafa Yusuf. My majesty, my football, move for you, Kroma. A man who call Afcon, Sika saying, I'm going to move some Afcon. Maybe I say, a man now grown the honor Momope. Who is on a Sikao? It's a young master, some Kukunum Kakana with the Jonamuko. A man of football, your my majesty and family. And here I'm a trainer, I can't obey him. Mr. Budget is saying that my football, when the mom was on Fanko Afcon, Kato Kreku, Minister of Youth and Sports. A man on Muko Afcon, Sika saying, I'm with the mom almost a budget. Reading bonuses and it is saying, appearance fit is saying, motivation it is saying. You remember that face a pinch the money you be sound some. And you be this uncommon. Sounds to now saying Chevy at a Ghana Premier League in Super Shah Ghana ha. Now newly promoted side. Bibiani Gold Stars. Sounds to Real Tamale United. You be come a catching up face here could come on. You be some sound what it is saying. And you are a Ghana Premier League. No more Bobo Muye na face one be see a kind. You be gonna face here 2 million penny. Fred come on. Oh, RTU na face would go start a catching. Internet and any Jumedia Yeshe. Baransan, you be gonna face some and then 7 to my bar. And we have my fan na second say Mfama Ora confiance on Bafo. I know Anna is executive producer. Samson and Anna Kwame Perry the finest. Program so watch the channel. Come on. Samson the head of sports and not Corey Ajman. I know so it's my Bob and 7 noon, you know, I'm so many bar. Jeff Akufu Watson so support there will be a Jeff. I'm in yay. Samson and DJ Zigibi. DJ Ziggy so Facebook no board Eddie Gum. Social media no share Amana Akoso. Samson and DJ Tony is on a board production. You know, I check can you need to go Sama Morano. I mean, your phone Sophia. Crop ya something what I say. Senior Newton, so what I say. And I feel so the writer commentator, no Sophia. I'm on the name so many on Bedri Jumano. Yeah, me tell John Musu me ding and then Kwame Amponsah Addi. Wait to my friend AK. Yes, Eddie Kelvin, no. Man of Portugal Society, Sarah, me tell you, no. And to the AK and then my Jimaja. You may candy a good office, and I'm an 7 straight to my bar. And to know, Sunny, I know, Yamako, nothing, so I'm an 7 so at my bar.
Some nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your gospel. Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. What do I stand for? What anymore.
That's all right. In today, you can have things na man and some no, and also no intimi and Branton Tony. Oceana Fins in the Champions League. No, yes, yet to match and I had in some and so no at me at a free or at my own send there and a challenge UEFA Champions League. No, and so no bet me a Kosua and also no and Yasim Kuma and today Chana Fins no yam found results and understand the fixtures no and so no to me and fan to draw and so no and fan man in the matches no saying and also Esifatia Uko Piemo so now take it here Istanbul and a big match no and so to drop 445 no and then Istanbul at Besiktas and so that's now Fins on there yes Sporting CP and so that's my post house on a Club Brugge I bet Nafia Tonisa and to me from Manchester City now almost to me the Boswa and also the Basso and 4:45 p.m. Ghana time now and then 7 p.m. Ghana time no Uko Piemo Ajax Amsterdam there and Ajax Traffic no so any Borussia Dortmund and so not to my ball and Basso yes 7 p.m. now Fins no Wanda Metropolitano no and a big match and also no to John Awanuma and Yefina Atletico Madrid and so at Nafia Tonisa at me there for Liverpool you will never walk alone now start their Boswa and then a big game and also no at me to John Portugal no FC Porto I bet Nafia Tonisa at the first station in Casio di Milan now start their Boston in AC Milan and Kwame now also in FC Porto and so at me Boston International Milan at Nafia Giuseppe Meazza San Siro now so Tonisa at the friend no Sheriff Tiraspol there is a Black Sheriff no the team no so PMO our Inter Milan akache now also to the Abonia and also Yasim Kumana Shakhtar Donetsk and to Nafia our Ukraine no so no at Tonisa there for Real Madrid now also the Abonia and also 7 p.m. Ghana time now Paris Saint-Germain PS Nafia I'll pack the Princess now also at me and RB Leipzig and straight to my power and also no Yasim Kumana Yango share and the coaches no almost multimedia to draw yesterday to me at the MI for any reactions no cost on a coach and my Real Madrid team no and Urian the Carlo Ancelotti and also net to Makasa and the match and also no to draw our Ukraine no Carlo Ancelotti must win a big game and then also bet me to draw the Real Madrid coach the day Carlo Ancelotti at Makasa and the game in Real Madrid and so then by Shakhtar Donetsk so no Pono Yenti sama neno Real Madrid coach and also no etimi Eddie to draw
I think this international break was good. Those players who joined their national teams on international duty came back in good shape. It's only Eden Hazard who has some physical problems, but the rest feel very well. We have recovered very important players like Ferland Mendy and Marcelo. Toni Kroos has improved as well. I think that the team are going into this clash in good form. We are quite motivated. We are very motivated. We want to play as well as we can and do our best. We didn't play our last games. There were some things that we had to work on, but I think that we worked on our mistakes and we are now ready to face this challenge. Shakhtar are a good team and they will do everything possible.
Waiting somewhere near no Carlo Ancelotti or on manager and soon at my Real Madrid team no and soon at me to draw or James and bless no dona or my recover from injury Kayoche the likes of Marcelo Mapa and also Baba Boa I'm in the Real Madrid team no so no at my fan to my pa and soon at me dear friend Brantia and the day and I said Ocha Madrid a brand new could do a year Ukraine Bobo Kuruma and I said Ukraine Crodianima and I say Enika Ocha Rivano send a new for AC call Ukraine Crodium and as a Real Madrid omukodu na just ho fama no efe uche media ko twachia ho ne so mo budget so Madrid na fans na Madrid fans so awa ye ne no Ukraine na say akono tene mo social media no so betuma cha brand ne no Real Madrid so ekopie mo Ukraine na afen so no niama so na call so enso no ewo ho tene ne zigi odi twaguna yes so be say ne Madrid so no ebra mo ko na just suit no ene wo bo ne kama na o che Marcelo mo o che Eduardo Camavinga mo o che Marcos Asensio mo ne so no omo si from Ukraine na just fans na bojo mo so we say ne me photograph Marcelo o me sign me chi we see me kura me just wa ha for signature beto so na afen so me kofia me fa kwa kire me ba na just Madrid no ene so matuma si from Ukraine na omo ko share ni se niama so no ebetuma koso etumi ade ama we da milita mo etuma bom no so mas kama ene so na ya fidi agon to win Madrid no sen sama ene so ne etumi ade tuju na yefi Madrid akate ne ekopie mu so Liverpool you will never walk alone so akate na fe so no ye fan sam no be en free of from out there ene defender ni dey and so the Virgil van Dijk Abrante ne so akasa odu say ne no big game ni toja Liverpool and afen so na Atletico Madrid ne dey boy ni na Virgil van Dijk and so no etumi echire ni semu.
We don't need any extra motivation, you know. We play the Champions League is the most prestigious cup in Europe. You worked hard for it last year. The boys worked hard for it last year to make sure that we play Champions League, and you know we just want to go out there, show our qualities, and the only thing we use from the game that we played last time is to analyze them. But we don't need extra motivation. We know how tough it's going to be, and we have to be very good to get a good result. And we're looking forward to it. Full stadium again, so it's always a good feeling to be out there. You know, and personally for me especially, you know, I just enjoy.
Winning somewhere near the Virgil van Dijk VVD on also to me to draw our Liverpool so akatia yes to me at my T4 the young copy of Manchester City or the citizens on Sokate on say no I'm a Bobo Quanidi and so at the Club Brugge and also Eddie Boy in Jose Pep Guardiola on your coach at the Man City Bobo Kono on also Akasa Pep Guardiola game no Ube saying
top side. What we have seen is physicality. They know exactly what they have to do. They are an incredible aggressive team and with a lot of quality up front. If since Manchester scored a goal, it's because it's one reason why they are good. We have 4 games left, 12 points to fight to qualify for last 16, and this is the target. So we will see as the game, have a plan. The mentality will be the same. We're going to adjust them. Hopefully our way we play, we can let them adjust as much as possible and control the game and get a good result.
And then in summer and then Jose Pep Guardiola and so ready to join no results no and or control game no na face what you happen results and so to me area Manchester City bo no na Kevin De Bruyne KDB ne midfield fantastic player no on so akasa Chelsea game way and then no Porto and I say near Club Brugge omunyina ya so mo din ni PSG bo 1-1 ne dia but omo Manchester City there omo back no ma be winning yentie sama and Kevin De Bruyne KDB and so no etimi erituja.
I'm excited to go back home. Obviously it's been the first time to play at home except the national team since I've left, and that's about 10 years ago or something, so that's a long time. But obviously I think people will always set the standard high and higher, and I think because of what we've done in England for the last 5-6 years, people expect us to win the Champions League, and that's what we want to do. We've not managed to win it, but we're trying, so I think that's the only thing we can do, and hopefully in my period here we'll get one. But does it define your legacy for players out, for people outside? Maybe yes.
And then in summer no Kevin De Bruyne KDB and so ready to join Johnny live on Facebook there and your Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook and so the Kevin De Bruyne nisem ni nyere guno osubetumi anya bia hye na ne ama so na tuma koso and so na tumi dia ma so na YouTube no and your Okoman Radio 97.1 and so betumi follow on live okwa like page no o share na Facebook na front no etumi anya bia hye na Facebook no wa woni ekone ne eba ne to ansam no so ye go pie mo FC Porto so akache onum se ne wujira kono eno so no enya sem kuma na ne coach so edema FC Porto bobu kono onum se ne oni AC Milan na bo ora no so atima kasa o chem se ne match against AC Milan no big game coach edema FC Porto yentie no
aquilo que é a identidade da equipa e que não a podemos perder nunca. Depois até podemos não ganhar o jogo, mas perder a identidade.
And then someone coach it on what Trinity or see way. Esi omo yede omo je points no more. Omo je points no more. It then coach no sign the shot. I want ma. And no story just come no production is solid. Yes you to me kadi agum. And so dey ma etie for na Brighton dey. And so no any AC Milan. You kwana face ne ko AC Milan akate. Baransa na AC Milan se no be ba no. Brighton dey and so dey Koke. Onu Atletico Madrid player. So I say you kwana go pio Atletico Madrid so akate. Ne Brighton no so tuma kasa. Brighton na training session no. And so na course ATM akache no training na course na Koke resurrection and so etima kasa Koke big game NEPA our in Wanda Metropolitano game no ube saying.
Para nosotros todos los partidos son importantes, ¿no? Sobre todo jugar contra un equipo de la talla del Liverpool, pues te motiva mucho más, ¿no? Jugar en casa con toda nuestra gente, que nos va a apoyar, que nos va a enchufar y es fundamental, ¿no? Intentar poder conseguir los 3 puntos para pasar el grupo y bueno, ojalá pues lo podamos lograr como primeros, ¿no? Porque sabemos que el Liverpool es el rival a batir.
And then in some Koke resurrection on say player and ma Atletico Madrid team no on so no timi ade to ja yes no timi ade ama etie for na yenko na FC no yenko twa AC Milan abra ne AC Milan so no etimi ko PM a and so na yasem ko PM Portugal na ne omni Porto so kwa kwesi akan no ene wo players no abra ne omusi form awa ne airport Lisbon na fe so no ma on fama omo nante so ne dia ko PM hotel na say F wo AC Milan dressing na you say FNT similar pictures no zigi na fatu na afsin so no etie fo hu ne ekwane ne epa intene wo hwe Facebook dia wo say brand na AC Milan so na ekono say wo hwe Olivier Giroud na ni wa born pack up and down na say headset na so say ne no right eye wo fia na say Association Calcio de Milan AC Milan so na you say ene almost to my bomb wa ene so na enye fidi akro na ene no yes ene na twa go Facebook no na say zigi adwuma na wa ye ni nyina sort ya say intene AC Milan a promosi one in Porto Lisbon na je so mo kwa coach FC Porto na o cha mo fama no o hwe ni na Branson ni din enso ne Brahim Diaz mo o mo kwa na fe so ma hwe se niama e beto ma fa Ediama AC Milan team na so far too much so ma bono and a victory to me by o mo ko Lisbon na fe so no o beto ma ko piem mo Porto akache na niama so na tima koso Ediama AC Milan bobo na eno so ne tumi Ediama etie for na Borussia Dortmund onum so mo so jira kuna enya sim kuma o mo ne Ajax Amsterdam ana eno so na Borussia Dortmund so atuma kopie mu awo Holland Amsterdam omatumi di training session no enso no atuma hyehyɛ so a ɛno nso na enya senkuma tenne no o join here live on Facebook a obehu sɛ ne Dortmund training session no enso no ɛkɔ so a ɛno nso no enye firi agona just ne no Branton ne ne American mo training as the wetin mo Erling Haaland mo training enso no Holland na de sɛ nye firi agona no Dortmund omani nso atuma bra omo hwɛ nim sɛ victory no so ebetuma kɔ atumi ade amɔ ma bra omo ne Ajax Amsterdam so no etumi ade boy into ne Borussia Dortmund team no o show mo training na say no ten and you almost expect pitch no Haaland in na pay for match say the pitch no standard say no boss shot and so betuma Fontaine no and Borussia Dortmund omani press ne bomu and then Ajax Amsterdam omachi so no de beka forma and so ne sama ebo ba na ne etwa Paris Saint-Germain so onu say ne omo squad no Abraham so ekwa kopie mu na fe so no omatimi ne big game na hyehyɛ so a omo ne pomo kwa ne RB Leipzig bono yenhwe squad and coach and din enso no etumi ede ne Borussia Pochettino enso na ede ko game ne mu yenhwe squad a ori an so ede ko na fe so no etumi efa ntudwa enso no efa maudia wo hwe goalkeepers na and say na no so esifatie Paris Saint-Germain akacha Branton din ade Donnarumma and better post to South no L'Italia so no ko Keylor Navas Branton so ekobi South no Branton din ade Yebutu Mazala na fe so no Dagba Diallo Atra Fakimi play on so na tumi join squad no Branton ni de ke Tanto na personal Kimpembe Branton ni de Guzawa Marquinhos so return ma join Paris Saint-Germain team na Branton ni ade Nuno Mendes Tanto na Danilo Branton ni de so ya Dina Mbimbe Marco Bissau Julian Drexler etuma join the Paris Saint-Germain team na and so enye fidi agro Brandon Idi and Idris Ghana Gay and so etuma join the squad no under Herrera Brandon Idi and Georgino Wijnaldum South in Marco Verratti Marco and Brandon Idi and Icardi so join Brandon Idi and so in the Kylian Mbappe Luton and I feel so Lionel Andra Messi Pochettino and so etuma join the team na enye fidi agro no Neymar when team join the squad no it's an say Braba Brandon Braba coach so home match win share match bia ideni ga guys ana Pochettino o chense Neymar so no intimate na fie na home kakra and so no Paris Saint-Germain so no akachi na 7 minutes besi na san minutes na Brandon Idi and so no etumere Ansumani 40 Barcelona coach akasa o James Echeviano Brandon so betumi extend contract and so no etumi edi ama Barcelona team no and so no isema eba yes so no yetumi edi atujwa etumi edi ama yetie for ntene 7 de doso nemo ne se ne fata se oteno ene ne so no yetumi edi bantu efesi na fin so no ye ntwa ye ho emra ba edi komatwetwe no so no ebetumi ahyehye so. Intino yema bejafo akwaba ensemble Okoman 97.1 Okoman 97.1 radio you know Okoman Global Sports and ya transa ere ba ono say UEFA Champions League ni tuitua ene ampe bejwa na abejafo fia baransa na meba abejafo nche no onso betimi the WhatsApp message aba WhatsApp and Facebook SMS or the WhatsApp message ne ba 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. Samson na Facebook obetuma join here ho na also watch live and so no Facebook no Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 Facebook. Samson na YouTube Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 YouTube. Samson na Instagram and so no Okoman 971 Okoman 971. I know Oko Instagram osa ebetumi akwa follow but awie mame we say Nana Ekuya Ekufu happy birthday enko emfama Nana Ekuya Ekufu we efi we sport aho also we shinini abia no happy birthday it's no Nana Ekuya Ekufu we efi we sport aho ene Okoman FM yenyina ye we show happy birthday nyakopon show. No, I don't know. Onya okasi. Enti I don't know. But my mama be jafa kwaba. Kwabi asante. Se bibia fine.
Okay. Ya bedo body ase yekoda ye no na dom ene monyam ti no ne mobro hu yetumi asan sorry abeka ejanensa. That's why I say yan wiru mu na eja kekan kakra be no physical realm mu no yanga nioma bi a day in day out activities juma sem ne adinti no ya hodo do yara said ya nei utiwe mi hu se nioma nhyeda nkoyi wakọ office so no ni na mu na befa ti e bedo body ase
Silia
papa
na mi nim nti awsoro no pa mi awsoro
ne dia yese bi a wo ne mfa won na mesro but efini
jumana
because
fiti ya odani ne ko bogum wo aja top 4 yasia right and mo tutu ya bogum ana aja esa be share soro ana aja ojura no
tena mkasi efini because be say fiti ya dan yina ne ya busy na be pem ne but ebi mu mfe ye nje mu ase within the annual den sir.
That's no system. That's no system.
Then I'm saying if you know, we are not be a coffee. And then I'm my sir. You know, yeah, the Yamias, whether Yamias say, and first level, no, you can. Na ye wonkwa na yetimi kasa ma tiefo nseti ya ne no ye de aseda ma Yakopon na afien so ye de aseda ma ye tiefo ya bendom bia wetie yen cause wonka ye ho ya nkam je sei ka show no e betimi akoso nti nsie mu ye de enkomo wo nyina afi wudu eye curve ma Hanover wonum sa eye pato no mu ne ade na akwasi no abue mu ya wetie yen nti no ye ka se da won ase sa bendom bia wetie yen e we Kropon because Kropon no wona Oma Okoman no so ye den ekonani because more na wotie no so wahye na amafo nti te bedo bibia ase se mbi no bia wotie yen na wahye yen kuran se yen kwaso ye ne ye no ye weda won ase
Our champion I shall kotoko I say righter
chavo
Oh my god off what the kotoko say give am boss righter be fine
chavo nyame adom be fine na endra body never say ye asa manda body ni ye sa no pe my week but yaba the radius yes
but ye my tiefo mu say ya you abema Steve Crouch
yeah
another Steve Adaya I'm sorry
yes
na very very sad so adwuma ye na ye ko be bia first Steve Oboase kegum my na just Steve be fire Oboase dey my na any me the first time me Steve kasa there was I think had to fog na ha say ko Oboase
okay
and I'm first Steve say Saturday me wo energy Steve ready me here wo je kegum sa de mami na obeji science o me say adwuma me no wa Steve Boguma na if you want to na didi ma enra emo say Steve Crouch
yes
no say to me adani be close but the same yema busu anya ashade
yes
I need the media fraternity sports journalists nyano emo bibi ashade na ahweye na and also you be catch them say yenhwe enwe but all the same no nya for God and country
sure
it's no yeguso but and then UEFA Champions League club ya mamisha simfe fi wo UEFA Champions League sima do 10 minutes UEFA Champions League baby arefa
wow okay yeah yenchi etiefo bio na and you know yemo obibia so a very good afternoon and from Okoman Global Sports so okay meshe every enei one of the teams in Europe womudama kuma so yi papa after a longer period woman to me in modern when it's come to European clubs competition also in the Europa Cup and the UEFA Champions League me kasafa and AC Milan and one more brave papa since 2007 I think if not say I stand to be corrected though but Champions League you know you say AC Milan and they team my friend of Real Madrid na nka womo dominate and the likes of Liverpool no the last time we won was 2007 womo ne Liverpool Korea e wo honomo and me nye ni se wohwemu a finals crampo no womo etumi ayeden etumi abobio ebepem sabri and this season wohwe team a na womo putting up team a menhwe from the days of Gattuso no mo nyina etumi befa AC Milan nkakra academy players any young chaps a womo sinsan won esani say AC Milan team na perform to the extent say players bia ene no AC behia won hardly say womo betumi make transfer moves say womo ka akọbọ AC Milan enti nkakra sa na womo de old age phone so no afrefre mu a and then uhwe ejuma AC Milan abo in the past 3 seasons the Italian Serie A anymore dia esueniye and it was so unfortunate for AC last season awomo entumi enwini the Scudetto no wa bra ene Antonio Conte baya ono nso di players awodo na ekukudam ene Inter Milan di sika shemu a womo so kofa players bi te say Lukaku ene Lautaro Martinez no beboya womo etumi edije Scudetto no efi Milan nsem and this season no uhwe adwuma purely enso ede Milan eguso eya eno nso ya dia esueni ene in the Serie A uhwe game boys no ebo AC Milan team transition play bibia intact womo bobo no so fair and womo young chaps and now kwechi wa obenya Fikayo Tomori English international from Chelsea ono so kwae no wetumi akoye starter ediama AC Milan partner with Simon Kaya, the captain of Denmark national team, with Theo Hernandez from French national team ono so starter ediama the French national team no el honomo Calabria elho sanso ana wefa good old Florenzi from Roma ono so ko pie mu last season loan Paris Saint-Germain ono so right back no ne Calabria so no etwa egu elho no in the midfield ubenya one of the finest oba Africa hanoma and I say two finest because last 2019 no African Cup of Nations no the Algerian team one de beje ya untumi nka enjoy the midfield anchor Abrantie Ismaila Benassa ono so mu edema AC Milan na ubenya the Ivorian international Frank Yannick Kessie ono so partner Abrantie no and the new Italian Andre Pirlo ubenya Tonali womu nyina no enso etumi aba Rafael Leao of Portugal womu eboa Zlatan ho de ne experience ene ne contribution so no eboa nkakra Olivier Giroud from Chelsea etumi akodwane ho no ma Brahim Diaz from Madrid into ohwe team no very young and talented and name penifo ba ko mienu bi so afrem edu baby okone yeden womu so ebetumi show womu boss de aboa the movement and I said the progression of AC Milan and womu boa and this season womu to me a qualifier womu bo Champions League and in the first two games and to me ankoye amfa ama AC Milan after say Liverpool to me etwa womu 3-2 honoma womu esanko ekotinemu ewofie San Siro ma ehonso Atletico Madrid dey go Simeone enso etumi bae ma nei womo esan ebewini won honoma after say nei record etumi buy AC Milan afemu womo nso entumi ewini game no and in their last two games womo etumi abo Champions League ni mu no ni nyina no enya ade womo enya a single point womo nso de konti say qualification this season so no AC ebetumi qualifier and also betumi ayade and also ebeya dinye papa e ama AC Milan now your 4 games say yebebo and AC and two kan yade akopie mu Porto nso the last 2 games and in the group and wo Asia wo mu no ono so etumi ni Atletico Madrid draw mo no so etumi nya 1 point out of possible 6 in the 2 games ono so etumi abono Liverpool ekoshen 5 goals Estadio do Dragao honomo enti coming up no akoye to say the last bottom AC Milan Porto aneka kushia and wo Porto AC Milan games are women so about in recent years AC Milan hardly say AC Milan so no ebetumi akọ Estadio do Dragao Portugal etumi akonya nkunimdi and ohwe wom games a wom abododo na it has happened once per year 1993 AC Milan etumi eko share in Porto enso ekaba ko a wom entumi anti ho down na oba ebehwemu a the last time enenu AC Milan so bremu Portugal ekonya a point no was in the 1996 and also ekoye 1-1 honoma womo edeko boy and dia ye nyina ye be kai eno de eneno ye nyina no ye betumi akai pa no the Jose Mourinho's FC Porto 2003 otumi edije Champions League no eno so odi ewremu ho ene the AC Milan team na Carlo Ancelotti so cry with the players na womo ho Gennaro Gattuso ene Dzeko ene ubenya Abrantie current seed of nomo Dida Edapomu Paulo Maldini ene Alessandro Nesta nomo from the Brazilian international womo nyina no etumi boy sanka AC Milan enso ebetumi ewini sa game no ho 2003 UEFA Super Cup and also etumi ekoso with Portugal ene no Porto from Portugal ene AC Milan and also Italy but sa game ni so no ukomu ana Jose Mourinho enya ade a eno so niama etumi efa edema Jose Mourinho honoma AC Milan etumi ekonya sa win no honoma ene Andriy Shevchenko and otumi nya de consolation and I say 10th minute winner no ede ema AC etumi ewini ne Stade de Louis Monaco France AC Milan enso etumi ede ewini ho nti wo hwe team ya na from Jose Mourinho ba now share the Ancelotti's days of AC Milan now share players amabu bo wondin awru ubenya Porto sa time no ubenya Carvalho enso ewo ho no mo a wo mu nyina ebo adeko no mo ewo ho no mo awomo ebo Paulo Ferreira no mo nyina etumi ebo ene these players we nyina no different managers and teams ni nyina eba behia any different crop of players from each side and I know womo so ebetumi akohia ewo Estadio do Dragão into game no wo hwe papa your friend ene Conceição na ejuma wetumi abo ediama Roma last season in the quarterfinals no it took Chelsea awomo ewini the ultimate no and etumi eyi womo efrimu impo in the second game no yehu game awomo tum boy awomo share Chelsea ekaba akon awomo entumi anti ewo and womo nya experience no ewo Europe compared to AC Milan because we share AC Milan team ewo sisi ana womo European games no womo enshare down board do so na midi kan say in the past 10 years ni no ye share da enhu AC Milan ewo Europe here ntino ene ye hwe nim say team Stefano Pioli nso etumi abefa no ono nso ebetumi ede aye djuma ama eno nso aboa but sa game we no ebeye game bia mu beye den ebetumi aye dinye papa and AC Milan ehwe nim so ono nso betumi nya ne first win na eno nso etumi ede aboa na bibia enso etumi akoyie ede ama ene no Stefano Pioli and AC Milan say womo so betumi enya womo first win ewo group ni mu sanso ana Porto it will be very hard say ene Porto inso bet na ho say AC Milan nso embra embetwi infa womo so and with the likes of Urebe num any team Tarimi num games womo ebo Pepe ebeba in the game o share the last game womo boy against Liverpool these players ni nyina no entumi ambo bi Mbemba ono so entumi ambo womo two center pair no enya ade a obia etumi enya kwan ebo bi and these players no coming against AC Milan no me hu ni say nei ebeye game ebeye even game and ebeye thing say AC and let me tell you say AC ebetumi ewie ni game way the best thing for AC Milan today no ebetumi asan aye draw ewo ho no ma AC wo mo best ebetumi aye draw but I tip FC Porto to win by 2-1 against AC Milan. Now ewo Inter Milan Estadio Giuseppe Meazza ewo San Siro ene Italy ana Inter Milan etna hona womonso ene Talif Sheriff etumi esiakan na Sheriff fufu ibai womo first 2 games no yehu game a womo boy womo etumi ewini the first 2 games a womo abono womo ehye Shakhtar Donetsk ewo honomo and their last game womo ne Real Madrid the European giants no 13-time winners of this competition no womo tumi ba Estadio Bernabeu etumi ebewini game no el honoma eno so etumi aboa ajamp womo a womo so lead group D no with 6 points in the Real Madrid ewo 3 Inter ewo 1 ana ene Shakhtar Donetsk enso ewo 1 and Inter Milan womo so womo first 2 games no Madrid etumi ekwohye womo ewo Giuseppe Meazza ana ene nso no womo esan ekoma Sheriff etumi ebehye womo enso ewo Bernabeu inti enei ebeye den se uhwe Inter Milan enso eko a ono so etene fie lusu ya okonya 1 point ewo Ukraine no ene ono so etena Giuseppe a wekame ene Sheriff fue na matena sidin ahwe Sheriff ya ebeye den se ene ewo Giuseppe Sheriff fu no betumi aye bibi because mi hu aye se spirit bi ana edi wo moji a ebo asa emrantie yi but ball na nkasa de me nche da inhu won ball no chinchin bia so far endra metena sidin ahwe 2 games a wo mo ne Shakhtar boy en be hwe in the game a wo mo ne Real Madrid nso no den boy na me hwe se dia wo mo bo tactical game wo mo betena chi kakra and Inter Milan nso no ebo Edin Dzeko and Lautaro Martinez with this couple of players no ewe enim wo no me hu ni say honso no Inter Milan nei wo mo so betumi enya wo mo first 3 points ewo ho me no so etumi aboa wo mo ma wo mo so no etumi ajampe aba etumi akwalify ba me hu say with the all upsetter and a team my friend no Sheriff etumi akose against Shakhtar and Real Madrid ewo Bernabeu no hard and ebeye den say ene no wo mu betumi akọ Giuseppe Meazza etumi akọ pick even a point ewo hono mu ntia hono so no Inter Milan enso ebetumi akari the day no ama bibia nso etumi ayekama eke
okay I know club ya sante ana no so atimi akire ni nsemu Champions League ni no AC Milan me mom was ani ade AC Milan be many morning chara too much ni AC Milan crown win bi na ade but still yeah wish you all the best and so the writer o time no maybe my mama be 6 minutes na just say kagum na go Champions League game out share
Chabo, mami jana mesanchie for monta show ni from afar na yes, omoko Facebook like show na like page no. No man share na bia so ntimi nkonkan. Me shall say the fee group A, Paris Saint-Germain, Club Brugge, Manchester City, RB Leipzig. Osha match day 1. Game back one, obi adweme ba so no, bubo kwa din at the Paris Saint-Germain and RB Leipzig at Barring Thompson. Osha they won Paris Saint-Germain and Club Brugge ebo 1. Per looking at bobo kwa din at Paris Saint-Germain squad omo for this season obeka se Kylian Mbappe Abranti and Dindi Neymar Sasuna Messi abe Johnny team no obi expect se bobo kwa din at the their performance in the Champions League will be very different but yes a case wo hwe almost 2 matches o mabo omunya just 4 points in their just 2 matches and goes omunya 6 points because they draw their first game against Boboko and Dene Club Brugge. Second game, one more to match Manchester City, Airborne, 2-0. I'm to me a winning game, 4 points. Yeah, share game against RB Leipzig. Leipzig, a team here, Osha this season. It seems like Oman started the Champions League war, but Oko, the German Bundesliga, almost winning matches, but da extra ordinary last season, RB Leipzig. Yeah, share. Boboko and Dean at Leipzig. Almost player be at the say Nkunku player wabo almost about 11 matches in their whole competition. Now I say 11 goals at the Boboko and Dean the RB Leipzig. It really tells you as a Abranti and Dean Nkunku a player beer. Obetimi tormenting the defenders of Boboko and Dean at the Pearson. So the game itself no make I say a big game and Boboko and Dean the RB Leipzig. Actually do get their first game and as a first win in the Champions League. Group B. And don't forget say PSG also say Park the Prince no obetimi ewini ebenya 7 points and then no almost former player Osha 2001 Ekosi 2003 Osi akande mabubu kwa ndindi PSG Abranti and Dindi Ronaldinho ono be special guest Park the Prince so and obetimi aboa abubu kwa ndindi edi PSG so be hu Abranti and Dindi edi almost former player Ronaldinho it's stance anymore it really tells you say ebetimi boost boys in no more so that game Opushimi Simon Kowana Mexico Boboko and Dini PSG. Esan so move home and looking at their performance over the weekend. Opushimi PSG a favorite to win the game. Manchester City against Boboko and Dini Club Brugge. Osha City this season, City performance in the Champions League a very good compared to the EPO. Maybe like I say EPO no a different from the Champions League. Their first game almost RB Leipzig scoring them 6 goals to 3. Goals be an amount for expect say goals be to appear that game. Second game, the loss against a very teamer and they played their first game on board draw against Boboko and Dini PSG and Paris Saint-Germain. The game of Man City bono meti be ka say mebo bia nka say Man City walk over the moment because Boboko and Dini Club Brugge are on the second position in the Group A of the UEFA Champions League. One also say on betimi your first goal and also betimi your win. So betimi your win and betimi boost your morale in the day 3 of the Champions League. You know, betimi among abeda first. If the Paris Saint-Germain drop a point against Boboko and Dende RB Leipzig. So Opushimia a dicey game. Boboko and Dende Club Brugge obi out second playing against the third opponent. City so hope for the win. Together 3 points, no benya 6 points in the Group B. So Opushimenda. Mate like I say, Boboko a favorite, Man City a favorite, but shocking results. To me, APA Man City against Club Brugge. Game no more. They share Group B. Boboko and Dean, and I say game back one Obia Ebeshe and Adria, Boboko and Dean at the Liverpool playing against Atletico Madrid ATM. Who share Group B? Liverpool this season, Omo Abranti and Dean Ede, Mohamed Salah, Sergio Mane. All the players no elbow but this season in the Champions League, Georgian club and then Brand and actually I say Omambaso media grow the Champions League because Champions League no after said drawn by not be hope say Milan any Bobo Quantini Liverpool do something different. But here's against Milano. Earlier notice Abrante and Dean Ade Krobia to draft Milan this season, and Yama Sedan Koyi and Famomo. So ATM playing against Bobo Quantini Ade Liverpool. I don't waste my time over that game because their first game against Milan and a surprise game. Milan it's me showing surprise. If it's Liverpool, it's net no, and I say Bobo Quantini the ATM and your first goal. And don't forget, say former player Abrante Luis Suarez. It seems like almost about 100 and something game. Edema, Liverpool no say 84 goals. So coming to play against his former club, no one was why tormenta kakla. And I said the striker this season will pull surprises in the Champions League and also the Spanish La Liga. So that game, bet me a draw game. Liverpool against Atletico Madrid. Me wasting much time. Bobo Quantini Milan Porto Milan. This season one started the Champions League game playing against Liverpool in their group. No matter me I can say a group back one, a group of death, and playing in that game against Porto. Maybe you're underrated Porto. Say Porto your side beer. The Porto team, playing against them, maybe or the underrated because only that any players go on more or make me police surprise them. But if say Bobo Quantini AC Milan and they return more, Porto beat me police surprise. But for me, Bobo Quantini Ade Manchester and I say Bobo Quantini AC Milan are ahead of Bobo Quantini Ade Porto. My main real group way. Group D. Team back one more. Osha Eke police surprise. Sheriff FC. Ome police surprise because in that group after said drawn by a man for Eteke, Shakhtar Donetsk, and Bobo Quantini and Sheriff out of the group. But here's the case: Team Aqua Kopiemo, our Moldova League and more. One more police surprises. Almost about their last five matches at Sheriff Abo. Watch the 5 matches Abo or say FCS Gen 4-0. Ebe say Bobo Quantini Ade Malasi 1-0. Ebe say Bobo Quantini Madrid. Madrid yenim say about the Champions League. Obiaje the Champions League actually so back to back. Now a team surprise on Fibe Bia Besano. Just 2-1. It really tells you as a team say Omaba.
Victory now I'm back again.
Yes.
Yes,
a Kosovo Banabao. So a history. Edema side Omufi Moldova. From nowhere, police surprise in the Champions League. And Osha, one more Bobo Quantini Dynamo Otto 7-0. And Ombese Forest 4-0. So it really tells you, as a looking at statistics of Sheriff FC, their last 5 matches one more share more goals. Last 3 match on boy against Malaysia, share 1 goal. But from 10, one more starting share goals. Omenya 2 goals, Omenya 4 goals, Omenya 4 goals, Omenya 7 goals. So going in a game playing against Bobo Quantini at Inter Milan out this season, aka Inter Milan, just a goal. Inter Milan, goal ye. A Champions League or Obo, but Oko the Serie A, police surprises in the Serie A, but compare Serie A to the Champions League now, a different this season. And I make a Sheriff can pull surprise because we bought 2 matches. The first game against Bobo Quantini Shakhtar Donetsk, Esomo, and Bobo Quantini at Madrid or Santiago Bernabéu, Esomo. So it really tells you playing against this big clubs in the Champions League and who boost your morale going a game against Bobo Quantini at Inter Milan. Inter Milan and Madrid, Madrid nation 1-0. So Tima only experience it me as a big club like Madrid 2-1. Nas Madrid it me as Inter Milan 1-0. Then there's call all out to a book game the year or make me as a Inter Milan. No doubt. And that may come surprise me to me pay our Champions League. But per record and the statistics are Sheriff and Ben a Bobo Quantini Inter Milan. Inter Milan beat me winning game but some lack day ne bar Sheriff beat me police surprise. Madrid and Shakhtar Donetsk me wasting match. Madrid hinya win
okay.
No the ABB na abuo mo team 3 points after 2 matches also against Sheffield. Sheriff FC or per point at the ABB. So Madrid a police surprise against Shakhtar Donetsk.
Madrid a police surprise against Shakhtar Donetsk. Right, I remember so last season Shakhtar Donetsk a ball Madrid home and away. Aha, I know. I know what was it.
where do you see is a surprise?
Surprise, yes.
Because the last 2 games, no bomb Madrid back to back.
Yes.
It means Sabri no Madrid in boom under Shakhtar.
Yes.
So far as one games is concerned.
Okay. And no, senior, hey, everyone cool. But my mom should 2 matches. My mom should 2 matches. 2 matches.
Let's say because a year for no. Nah,
all time anymore.
Yeah, no problem. Now we say one of call efficacy mono. And can better me bobo and maybe so no send ya obeko.
Send no brain the other.
Na I said ya can Real Madrid and Shakhtar Donetsk. When she 4 times head to head 2-2. Now in the year 2015 Real Madrid said Shakhtar Donetsk 4-0 at home. And they return and that time group stage. And they return Real Madrid and Shakhtar Donetsk 3-4 4-3 away. And 2020 Shakhtar Donetsk and so by Real Madrid home by saying 2-3-2. And sana in the return league as I question 2-0 our home. Into we share Real Madrid and Shakhtar Donetsk match say na ya can surprise bit my because Shakhtar for 2 seasons I say for we 2020 bano watimi ahodu Real Madrid more intimidate say Real Madrid betima akenya no wanya sa de say de a Saturday next then be candidate because when say upper hand e was say na menuan no kanu inti ba o me say no say one obeko fikati ba say what hwe sa nyema nyina wo mu say ne obey nafa afi ye ko ye Real Madrid Atletico Madrid and Liverpool na Atletico Madrid and Liverpool who share say ni pa ya matches onwahia onwahia 5 times na sa 5 times onwahia no article awini mu 4 and Liverpool awini mu 1 pe in sa one no in a year beban say me correct we no
I know yeah match be no match be one sound okay
Champions League ehun asem na make
team be
Atletico Madrid and
Liverpool match, I think last 2 seasons, Oshai. Was the last 2 seasons or last after say Liverpool winning Champions League the following season,
back to back 2020 last year.
Quarter final.
Yeah.
Back to back.
Round of 16, Oshia was 3-2. And sana round of 16 return match in Article Sanction 1-0. And sana semi-final 2010. Liverpool Article 2-1. And semi-final na return match article share Liverpool 1-0. So at the share and in August 2009 friendly match so article share Liverpool 2-1. Into which share in Crawford match daisy match Liverpool san kwa away article go home. Into no share match that we say very tough match but share for now last 3 matches Liverpool aba share name forward na Sadio Mane Salah na Firmino no say we gina wana so ntino say dey ni eba na say wonya dey we say ball na lack near the ball this wonya the lack of the day there dey say wetimi a police surprise but anyam wan say article because of say one side Liverpool so for now ne one side Liverpool so ntino betima ba say obetima call the day because we go home Simone be make sure say sa ne sana da Liverpool so no obe make sure say be maintain ntino me dey say obeye sa niam no na amaden well but article nka say what if na obehwe am Liverpool be ntino na match be tough match but when obe ko fikasi me no make sure say obe to one niam yes na be ya den woni willing go grass because because of say form Liverpool cry no now do any quarter to so na wan hwe Champions League no we say Champions League no body different from league ntino wan hwe na wakonya asem ntino sa na be ko na last one me fan we PSG
senior Eba mami wo mfemfi wo onze say na RT PR obedi nkomo ti mami mfemfi na ya meto aso ewa ha na ne no minia say Mubarak ono na PR edema RT team no ono ewa one so senior good afternoon
na Mahmoud Zain
Yakopo Adom ya ho ye mo akoba edeba Okoman 97.1 radio
Meje so
na obi be say RTU I wanted to say enche Ghana Premier League ebe chance here so far preparation RTU akache no at saying
well Let's make us the BIA also about 80% of the preparations in the year we are more importantly, Menemokase, your Accra, the ball Super Cup competition, and every group stages. No, unfortunately, points are not gather goals and Kate me boy and my qualify to the next stage. You know, to me and Yanisa and the same points, but only the one goal and assign home. I think the competition, competition, everything boy per year. Initially, now you were doubt of competing in this particular event. But after yesterday's games, your technical team, ultimately will say, coming into this particular competition. We are still in town. Nyambwa Yawa, the Dreams FC, a match, or Pram. Now, you'll be getting back to Tamale, Aquaco prepare for our opening game against Great Olympics. And I'm sure by then, maybe now you're 100% preparation towards the start of the Ghana Premier League.
Now, senior, so far, out to you, player signings, as the same player signing Araba. Now, I ain't sooner FE team no more.
One thing that I submitted your squad at the Ghana Football Association, 30 players are registered this time round. Okay, there's players who do Sunday, and your more new players on my back. All players now mobile qualify and not be standard no level from a bimodi more in the course of the Division 1. The coach there's a players who do say almost compare the DMFA na on for and we have about 13 registered players your back competition there's a video not by Emma will be born home at this particular point in time. I'm sure our game against Dreams FC will be the final straw. Our coaches know the team's strength and Sana Yakwakobo Great Olympics. And for sure, we are on course. We are almost done with our preparation, and if it's a very good squad to play in the Ghana Premier League.
Now Division 1 Super League, ana obisi mi bisa say Arsenal ya man shara ankoyi Super League no ebe affect mo first game na.
Well, na make say coaches make you say ko mama nke be ho mo pa yi because na competition we now expose nyema ba ko mi bia na omo fi say ko matutu ne yi. Yes, we did not expect that we will go out of this particular competition. But for me, in particular, I'm not disappointed. Over here, coaches need me now. They are not also disappointed. They will RTU a club there. We fear defeat. Defeat the Ayana and Tampe. If you think the Ayana Kwakunwa, if you say in Kuningie, and everybody voting there, we always prepare for victory. Yes, those sitting outside and not watching your matches, we not say we have a lot of work to do. Now, a modern ensure that anywhere. But I think that I did ever prepare coaches ever to turn in a year. Lapses or monthly team during this competition on the Kwako to turn year. Now you are starting again.
And manafo mano wabana say and moja in the chidi.
So, Manaf deal the Ampeti, in fact, House of Folk for Magic Cry call across Sports Stadium. Yakushiano Homa, Aging Como fine. Player now more catch as a young treble because House of Folk for a man treating ye in so many ways. I'm officer no. Young treble Akada is 6 months on the contract in the end by the end of the season. If he is not joining any club outside the country, Obeba again RTU as a free transfer. We are still perceiving maybe our second window, it be not a half, me reduce the price now because the reason why I went to pursue the case was the fact that Hearts were demanding 100,000 Ghana cedis, 1 billion OCD for a player whose contract is just about 6 months to end. Tema and some Kakrabi Baho, and committed to Abakakra. The Hearts were adamant.
Music from Anna.
He decided we wouldn't pursue that, and the player himself wanted to just wait for his contract to end.
Now, obviously, Isaku Fatao. Now, come open any of the Adiana, and you were young, and our dreams. As a Yamoya and a Hamokakra.
Well, dreams move, and the true reflection of stories are moving on social media. And we'll see who is but in fact, I got the opportunity to speak to the recruitment chairman of Dreams FC. Emma Nekachem said, no, Fatah Isaku has not signed any contract with Dreams. Oba Honum Ebe training with them before our journey a Black Stars company. But Omonen International and sign a contract there. In fact, we are still pursuing that course. And so say, Ombeka the windows now close on the 23rd of October. We are still sure that we are made in Komona for our Baba journey.
Senior Sana Memo Kono, Yenim, Anyakofa, Eda RTU, and our face, His Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic, Dr. Ahaj Mahmoud Baumiantem, and they support now the Tamamo Division 1. Ababi Premier League, still supporting her back. And I said, Dog Simunya Botrena, every Pemubatenica, money relationship, they say at the same.
Well, we are still on course. I think I am confident is going to be a everlasting one between Vice President on your Vice President Krampuna. Definitely that relationship is going to be there. You please be I think the trophies and medals, Echo Hreno because of why in the course of the Division 1. Unfortunately, schedules why busy per Kaka and since you time. And as for Montinia time, MI, but support media definitely this is one fan continent, other continent anymore. In so many ways. We are still continuing to thank him for more of the boy during the course of the Division 1 and even at this particular moment because your background, yes, Mensa Eda so he has a role to play as the vice president and one of the leaders of the club. And for sure, we are still waiting to see in the course of the court test here. And some of we had Friday, we have opportunity here. And as our friend says, here why is we dating about the vice president?
Na zina memo akoi na krakra sembe na eno be ka che R2 supporters and more Eastern region especially krapem ha mutie wi and then I be ka che omo.
Well, once again, I want to use this opportunity now. Madam Biasi, R2 supporters. I think Ghana had the corner being who R2 supporters were because not national, you are casting across every length and breadth of Ghana. Your support base in our baby, another will be asked. In the course of the Division 1, I in a ticket in the bar, say Baby go Premier League, and be asked. Because we let them know, say, the day corner, Edene, almost some fast and pardon, almost supporting an entire cheat, Senabea, Ebano, Ghana Premier League. We have come to stay, and of course, we also depend on their support to the club.
Senior, my now say on your command 97.1 Edin Komo.
Yes, madam. All
right, and say Mubarak. I know PRO etimi Edema Real Tamale United RTU and I'm also Butumi attending car Chimo Checheni Senwa and therefore RTU and our almost na Ghana Premier League no Baba Shasiano. I'm also etimi Eddie Juma Entino. And also, I don't know, senior, the foreign Jeff from Sonka.
Midi no, I will PRG and Leipzig, we share one Manchester, one year 4 times. I had to head in a year 2-2. In the year 2014, and then we have a friendly match. Now, a year, always Leipzig, I share a year PRG 4-2. Now, Oba Champions League semi final. 2020 no PSG in share no 3-0 and ba group stage our 2020 no na wasan this year Leipzig and share no 2-1 na ba last one 2020 na group stage no so na PSG and share na 1-0 it which was nkrofu ya head to head no say ade anu ye den ama woni patu no na we whereby ya when the partner ele bobo no we this season inclusion of Messi no ama PSG team no mo we team no mo ayeden kakra ama vim bi aba hu say no ye say ye wo agenkwa bi wo ho a ye betimi ye ne tono so betimi abo ayen section of say this ne anase ne match no Neymar ayeden enka hu no ti ba be ye Messi and Mbappe wo anim wo ntim je say sa ankofo tin so anase sa ankofo ye nipa bi a say wo de won to won so na one day badia they will deliver for you. Until me say, no match, no, early small match, but the best team no call today.
Okay, I know, senior on duty, but I just over no, I make it here for still, Oko Facebook, and Okoman Radio 97.1, Okoman Radio 97.1, Facebook, Samsung, YouTube, no, Okoman Radio 97.1, also BTV, Ashena, follow na BBI, I come, about Pagina Papa B, as the more fire, to Okoman Global Sports, and also, to me, Edin Diaba, Samsung, and Nazareth Parry, but Edmund Williams, yes, and they citizen. On Namusunu so I don't money tashu na I'm just say Okoman sports as more fire and also I don't know Benjamin are you Safo also Real Madrid all the way and also any message and also to me area ba and you know Captain Kweku Major Junior Captain I say more fire Captain well Nino Nanao Kwame Safro Nana Kwame Safro. I know you're walking on one. I say more fire on the 30 minutes in Diaba. Nana Kofi free ye. I say keep the good work up, brother man. Okoman Global Sports, papa. Greetings to your able crew listening live and also watching at Mampone Kwapim. And also to me, I didn't Diaba name Nana Kofi free ye. And also we will be Yenchiano. Prince Kwache. I say good afternoon, brothers. I'm watching you live from a Kropone Kwapim. More fire. And so Enko and Famana Fisun dope Nanaya guy. And this is what she shown live. And so and you know Jeff.
Okay.
Mami Mau. 3 minutes now.
And a bit chatty for Udrana Etrim.
And so I saw one form. I break. Oh,
and ya break a crack. And so you go see Jim.
Then he started in a Michelle way, you know.
I say, I shall know Drano Cosmobia Cotos. You know, I'll quickly want to take a look at three games for the Champions League now, which are Ajax versus Dortmund, Atletico, and Liverpool, and PSG, and RB Leipzig. I think for me, those are the games to watch during in this round. Looking at Ajax and Dortmund, no, I think I would like to see our boy Kudus Mohammed, how I'll be performing on such a grand stage.
Jeff,
yes.
But if you want to bring information about
okay,
na ya be din komo, but mame ko amano so na ene no me ko din komo enso ewo ho ene be ko bibia ni Go Stars bibia ni Go Stars akache na afi so no yetimi akodin komo enso ewo ho orera ne din enso na CPK ana ye PRO ene ma bibia ni Go Stars yen ko din komo enso ewo ho CPK. Senior, you be fine.
Nyame adom ne mo pa e ho ye pa.
Mame wa kwa ba Enfamra Okoman 97.1 ewo payment time.
Many am also.
Na bibia no Go Stars I want to say.
Well, many am da wase e wa kwanya de ma me na me che wa ti na sari ye nyina anim no. Meaning say a few days to start the Ghana Premier League. And then the journey goes out for the first time in 23 years. We've been able to qualify to the elite division, which is the Ghana Premier League, and so you have started. For that matter, then I say, infrastructure wise, you know, you develop your home. I feel the team itself also, that's your update and I say, and also your team. A beef up with the team itself. That will be at you here tonight. When you actually infrastructure, the beginning dance park, ever be a boy division 1 league, and for that matter, I say I qualify. Then when you say they have lifted the face of dance park to present a premiership status. Meroka say dance park, yes, CC, we are do premiership status. I usually say card license and board no PROMOTIONAL assessment, you know. Aji Bibia to say, Reagan, it's Aboha. We are still waiting for a more reporter, more about because I have a discussion. And you know, for infrastructure, we are done with dance park. What did you want to say? The betting about matches in our beginning dance park. Now, looking at the playing, but you know, Coach Michael Oseba, you know, when you have first assessment of the team, as the ultimate qualifier, and he first said, the team is good, and for that matter, no, maybe free up with few. So they're going to the Premier League, you know, to be able to kind of
Coach Michael say, as I speak to you, I'll be free up with 12 new players. 12 new players. I the old team. We went and participated in the ongoing Division 1 Super Cup. And then we were in Group A. But unfortunately, we lost 2 games, we drew 1. Ramat and the progress the next stage of the competition. And the team know if we are crab about the 2 beginning and team no error and I mean Aduma training section that was so in the afternoon. Super Cup, even though it's time, some of us we see it to be wrong, but in a way, why as a team for a core tournament, where the weakness be quickly, Coach Michael say, and after the entire card team, everything you have to see before the start of the league. We believe that the next tournament we are ABR and can have land side, because I know in the work with team or league. So even though the timing was wrong, but the competition, Papa, the team. This is the current up-to-date information. Be very good start here.
I just say in Abranti and the Evans Owusu and Nanka or a player. Now, I say the contract no much.
Well, with issues regarding to Evans Owusu, net team and a kind of contract. But then team mutually and some Abranti and the second team management kind. They say to me a party weeks nothing. Abranti also over the new adventure in Sabetimiaka because Abranti started managing the car team in Togo, and from him he says personal issues, and then if any player didn't come out now or personal issues it's been to be all man commissioner review the actual, but when he so insists there it's personal issue, I don't think that to better sell over 14 hours on team. I don't think my team and then Abranti in our party with the team. So we as a team now we wish Abranti for everyone to issue as we started. But then on one kata the decision moving from the team. And we as a team there, we wish him well in all his endeavors.
Now, see now player and recruitment are still players but come 12 and I be and top players will be womb because we say has to go for players now they go call for big players in the idea go start moment to my top notch signing be
when you are sure at very outcome begin go to our fortunate players at the board Division 1 league, most of them know how to see the Premiership before. And Coach Michael said, "Now assess your performance." Now when you saw added few now going for the BT Nakoyi at the Amaya. It's young man to be at least almost a ball Premier League in the defense. Almost more experience. They're signing a new player, Charles Kamara from Adiana Star. And I feel they're signing Abdul Latif from Legon City. Or also actually a new signing now. They are signing on Ediaba team. I feel your Abranti friend say Yaya Dramani, our ball liberty or 2 coins echo outside. Abranti and so what you have Pima or also be a kind Ediama, I have any go star. I feel your Abranti, the friend said Mahmoud Oshi was a kind Ediama Kingfisher pen or call Bastaman. And the enemy competing in the Division 1 league. And the modern one was really proper. Johnson had another Abrantia, the senior sign of Bababua, signed Michael Enu, formerly of Liberty as good, and also the senior signer, also Babisia kind at the Amaya. This and many other players. And I assign your ma, the first and Nantia Nobetia Bois. I'm coming to the Premier League, to be able to near Koso. I signing a branch Samuel Amofa from Liberty, and also Bababua our defensive ability of Dunia.
Senior answer na memo akono ene na den na Okache Nino Go Stars supporters nyina na arehemu ba na odi momo say ni Ghana Premier League na maba se mo betena na ebe yi arehemu semben ana semben ne Okache Go Stars supporters.
Well, me and the American your supporters and we be out on area and say we be the Go Stars you come to see in the Premier League. In the sense say obia but near the team that you tell you pa na na to monitor team no we see say for the past 23 years I have been in one league. You know. We have been among the best teams that relegation and threaten yet. So I sure time I have ball league in any qualification league we know. The ball league we be on. Yeah, and qualify not the any first now. The next team another the best team no. Yeah, that is good. Always were second. God being so good that this second now I'm happy that they are better. They are better qualified. Means that we are very determined. Into the Empire Airball. And the Ekate supporters in answer, Monco's one from supporting Tay Chinese. A bonfire. Say between a tranquility star modern body aboard if you one leg now. Yama relegation interest here, near Dubai, be yet to me and the ultimate are qualifying. Young families are Premier League. It's me, yes, sir. Maybe some citizens and Angelic now. You didn't say with determination in that character. Yet, what we for the champions of the Ghana Premier League, plus media. Here, Modi is very good as well. The young course one for the game Bible and 13 team. We know and believe that Namia Adam as a Biakoya will be able to retain in the league.
Senior, my say in Uji Penny, Nane, Okoman Global Sports, or Okoman 97.1, a Chichin Como.
My man, so many now, I mean, Chion was you for you now. So as my palm mobile.
Yeah, say, and to know, Yenia, and you know, Sepike. Ana mote nka say yenso yatumi ane na din komo ene bibia ne Go Stars wono say ni no ometima bepie mu el Ghana Premier League ne wa enche omebom first game na say PK ono PRO ene ma Go Stars ana yini ni din komo Mr. Jeff say na okano our Champions League no.
Yeah, I said saying I was looking out for my boy Kudus Mohammed in the game Ajax against Borussia Dortmund. I'm also looking say Bro Haaland be continue ne run of Champions League form no, because a lot of people are saying say if he keeps scoring at this rate in the Champions League, maybe not Cristiano Ronaldo ne over 100 goals no, obit me break that record no at a point. I think say my next game many was Atletico Madrid versus Liverpool. Say I think say one last match we share Llorente, yes, some wonders be in the last few minutes of the game with some 2 goals, you know. Say Liverpool will be looking forward to revenging game, no. Into no, it's another match. I mean, so I'm really looking forward to. And then my third game will be RB Leipzig versus PSG. I think 2 teams are about free-flowing football. You know, 2 attacking-minded teams, but. Back when a star-studded team, that is PSG. Back when say you know team where what people will call quote unquote a team. When there any superstars biasa, but they play together as a unit. So I think that will be the match I'm measuring because I really like to see how those 2 teams are pitched against each other. And I think it's going to be an exciting day of Champions League football.
Okay, I know, Jeff, I go for what thing. I don't know, so at me actually need to much. No, we have some exciting football, and so the UEFA Champions League. And you know, you sure send back to see now. Chance at Nasia, yet me di. I want so come on, but China games no be so because so yaba. China no be this sound come on na, and so to me a few but you ever fear. Never didn't come off here, ever fear. Never didn't come off here. Only say the RT Akasa Go Stars and so Akasa preparation no Ghana Premier League. It go so bana. My name how our team so I match prepared. Ochina nyina no yebeko teams na kache mako kopem da Ghana Premier League no ebe shall say on the 29th of October ana Ghana Premier League na shall say yebeko obi akache teams no ni ekwa atofu ekokodoko ekwa na fin so no yetumi ade niam ekoso so no el teams na kache eltumi aba and ye too bibi any Go Stars ana fin so no RTU but you make sure the Black Queens of Ghana and you know the African Women's Cup of Nations you know Eric Oswa and Black Queens etimi akopime Nigeria na just say oh so nsa wa ku pio Nigeria just say wa ku ball tournament no na they be make am say the Black Stars of Ghana na ebo and can you be Ministry of Youth and Sports na wa check takese Ghana Football Association a check takese afa briefcase na wo di achi ya na yeko AFCON preparation money was FD about 25 million here at the Black Stars but women's football na women's AFCON already come here say you three any to be kura obi anya na age say the Black Queens no e be ma that support no me na me bisa the budget and the Black Queens they call AFCON aye moral not to say support no as the Minister of Youth and Sports Honorable Mustafa Yusuf say e be ma mi chiao na say na de bia no o ba oribo adwuma na mmom no aka che say Black Stars na nko an ntwawo Black Stars no about to be this careful at that side. Invest in women's football. So Sanka Black Queens equal. What they have top on something you say yes. I say anyway, I make us a part of our work. I say you find out, but you find out you. It's when I bring a doing my friend. Media mumra near press be friend. Send it say and a women's half corner so Black Queens can say ya near my only. Drama continue to Black Stars Milo press conference now. Then some fast also a women's half corner. Bomba my update be Can't talk to get it. Send a shushy but I will repem also over the banner. Yaka was okay. Mr. Black Queens on preparation today. Henry Asante Chum, a friend of Bessover fat. They had the 15 friend, and I'm busy. What's happening? And I'm busy. I'll get back to you, sir. And he did my pure. But still, you make a Black Queens herself. And you know, walk up you or half corner. Just say, women's half corner, so walk out with Juma. And then squad, I want to corner. My missioner, Mr. Minty found to Jua. And from our ocean squad, Black Queens, and so it's me at the half corner. And say, I know you're doing. My missioner face, so it's me first squad, you know. And so no, and to Jua. And for Emma, na Messi Tego Kwaku. Oh boy, Juma. Okay. Make sure say me Saveka squad, you know, and I remember. Right, Black Queens, team, you know, AFCON preparation. You said that only then I carry a foul.
Mami Chan, Mami Sanchez here for Biom. Was a Kromano? I say football, and I dominate with Kroma. Sometimes no, I am Berman and Kwan and Yeshe, other disciplines Yeshe. Sometimes Ubon say beko all Africa games, other sporting disciplines no. Omun taking it very serious. Nyame adobochina the Black Queens and Nigeria ball. Walk up to AFCON 2022 qualify. Yenhwe if Senka Blaster na ebo anka now and aka no enkom de bibia beto if so we need say ya and I play bit to me ni and say coach need to me born on the 8 me qualify team na say ni the man yembisa emane ko wan kra nim say emane wo AFCON qualify ball 2022 okroma why nenim obi enim yambe de denis obi enim say o emane ball game but emane so wo share their statistics na map GBB AFCON qualify mo GB da.
All right, I'm having for squad and he Messi Tego Kwaku and they call AFCON Nimo and fan to join 22 players. I don't know, so they call goalkeepers Nini Fafali Domahasi, our police ladies, Samson Victoria, Entry Ajay, our Kumasi Sports Academy, Mary Nikwe, our immigration ladies, and our goalkeepers, defenders any Gladys Amphobia, our lady strikers, Samson Ellen Okoman, as well lady strikers, Nina Noshi, our Berry ladies, Janet Ajay, and so our Zakes ladies, Blessing Agomaji, our Hapo Beersheva, and so no our Honor Fisono, Justice Cheneboa, our Ampim Dakwa ladies, hey, Cheneboa, Sam, Jonas Niviana, Samson and Felicity, as we are called our police ladies, our defenders, midfielders, Linie, Ababa one, Naomi, Anima, our Kumasi Sports Academy, Monica Adai, Berry ladies, Grace Anima, our police ladies, Grace Achampong, our Ampim Dakwa ladies, Grace Adams, our Berry ladies, Grace Asantoa, our Real Betis, and Mani Timono, and our friends Porsche Abuachi, Porsche Abuachi, Odusu Jerem, South say, our Dujardin IF, and so our and attackers, and one attacker pay, and I'm going to call one striker. I don't know why. Ababa ni so far ajakwa ewo soccer intellectuals. Until when 22 players, you know, I think say midfielders, you know, don't know more of attacking players. Until another one attacker, one striker. And the because we share Portia Boache and Grace Santo Munyana na obunya forwards, you know. And also and 22 players Messi Tego Kwaku and so no PM say fin Alcon African Women's Cup of Nations and also about Nigeria.
Ana make no when say Okoman no sometimes the Ghana Football Association I blaster they be a blaster kwa AFCON Ghana ye game ye too much is yakwe ye the budget at for coach 8 me qualifier coach ni ye be man no ye be man discuss it adin motivate girls no with some certain pledges be over the last week Katie Sokroku was there but sometimes you know if someone ye be omo ma yente because if say blaster na ya they be the example because that day na their matches and say omo to me qualify for competition ye discount the piomo adin ye mfa mba no ye first cash piomo Okoman sabe ye kamba e ma no omo fa nyama bebre mu omo fa nyama bebre was it 2015 onko bo tournament bi ya up to now ye misa emban bebre wo sika wo ma aka ye to me show mo boss a wo draw ba they do omo nyewe omo ntua e ma no end AFCON tournament ja in their history omo jibida runners up in the year 1998 2002 2006 and at third place that day na ye need third ye to me nko yehwe ye need third ye to me nyahwe ye need third ye to me anje since 2006 runners up asa Osha the third place 1995 2000 2004 2016 enti AFCON Osha the history of Mbana say first came pure montino eke dani de nyina omo kwa omo bɔ ne trokan omo nim game ne bɔ omo ma ne ni bɔ ne bɔ but esan say yam fa be motivate girls no yam say motivate you am den ye de ba mo ya motivate you am say mu win game we a ye be ma sika say no bisa say ni pan ne be yi daska ne dia mo esan say dani de nyina blaster yen hwe blaster en ga say mamu nya football na se mamu nya blaster ni blaster mu ye ni ya last time ya AFCON 1992 ewe kroma say 1982 rather 82 ne je last AFCON ewe kroma say after that bisa o calculate that 82 me hu AFCON that 82 ne anwo me ebe sin de year we a ekewa but dani de nyina emba no dominate la wafu zombie emba no tumi koje 2019 2018 okoje 2019 otoso third. But the girls no bomb modern. But yamwa girls no. Madam Abiba ata. Sabi oni penifoni ndi nkomo. Oni the Ghana Football Association penifoni ndi nkomo. Nya se be di team na chi keke. Na ebo me di ese team ni ko bebi amudi echire. Eno mfa hwemba. Nya first come from back game.
I remember Messi Tego Kwaku in about a month ago. Ebe kasa Edifa eni no Black Queens neglecta aye omo ani ade ase ni no Sharaka say fe na adwin nyina omo Black Stars.
Yes.
So that I say. And you know Kate you go okay. And so be am catch you say enya say empe wase ye ka we na buy. Oni dey there ye. Na ye ka ma enka. Oh, and you know my adwin ko na ni kope 200,000 bi komo na. $200,000.
Yes.
Some bro. Abeka sis can want to the AFCON. Yan kope 200,000 bi.
Because eke obi wa o 1 month mo be bobo. Omo bre sometimes it nyamani ni a efe ne nhwe ho.
Because me calculate na say fie na ekwo man wetu abu omusa.
Bebrewom. Eke ya ka like no krenda yanka. Omo bre ebu a sabi
o one year science school na.
1 year science e mo wa. I was say your body ye dey.
Yes, Jeff. Why is all your science?
Say any integrated science will be.
Yes, we are internet was make a calculation as we wait to on
I'm sure a bit me happen. Very very possible.
Say our third week.
But say and just according to the month, senior month ne basa obi o ha first week obi ha second.
And we 22 players and so.
But
it's in the same 10 kura bu on za.
Yo, ebe to me esi wo mtan here.
And oda bi abechirechire mu. Oda bi no sorry obi anto no be hu se na ya. And so ko ana finance unim. Week we be an obu on za na.
But on a more serious note, you know, I think say Ghana football, we are very guilty when it comes to attention and yedema women's football. over and over again. I think say Myanmar qualified for World Cup before I think they went even twice. And so Merrimano Black Star qualified for World Cup. And think I think say they deserve some attention. And I think on the African continent, back in the day, we were only second to Nigeria. Nigeria was the only country and our team and they now with me BT and one crime say BT won some time be. And I think say anka baby anka say ye hopa and so unfortunately ye ni anko and it looks like Black Queens hereditary because I can see some other countries be some from the northern African countries, some from Southern Africa, coming up, in the sport. I'm saying yeah, now boss or hakrank. I think say and news headline skipping me. Say the women are even playing some AFCON. And so Cameroon and Kawarebo AFCON yank. I think say it's everywhere. And Kayina Mami sure san come out to Jesse Crowd dawa the train. Yo, and can we just say Mato Jesse Crowd the train.
We say Mother's Day the uncle over Kaimiano.
Some Mother's Day as Mother's Miani Yade.
We in the competition proper.
Okay.
We are knockout stage.
Okay.
And our Mobono.
Okay.
So far, Morocco has been the host,
Yeah.
And the other 10 countries, Elho. And the Nigerians, far concerning Black Queens, but whoever sees true, join the 11th club now. I 12 because I 12. We teams now.
And yet any other game say in Nigeria.
Nigeria
a big game.
And when you are talking about women football or the continent Africa, these are the two powerhouses. Maybe say one more Africa. Ghana ladies and Nigeria. This Africa women football. These are the powerhouses. One more raising the flag of Africa high. Into a bad thing. I'm a Ghana, a bad team, pass our qualification, a bad team, because we share preparation.
So I want to get this straight. Yeah, we are playing the Super Falcons.
Yes.
To qualify for the
AFCON. Home and away.
Wow.
The first leg coming on tomorrow, Wednesday, then Sunday, return leg our class sports.
Preparation there, See, let's be honest to ourselves. What's your preparation?
Na
Nigeria,
Nigeria for me and be our my friend me follow more. Some are playing in
Barcelona from Barcelona, yeah.
UEFA Champions League competitions.
Yeah, Oshola, yeah.
Nigerian women players are playing in the UEFA Champions League women football, and make players no per clubs and any idea woofy na me.
But Nigeria has gotten serious about football in the last few years, not just women's football, but football in general. Yeah. I mean, so what your teams are. So you'll be out of FIFA. Just check the Nigerian players and see the caliber of players. What was it here? I mean, last AFCON now we win. They called a whole team of people who were playing. All of them were playing in top flight teams. No, but regular football. So I think they've gotten serious about football. And it's paying off. It's paying. I had to say the golden era of La Côte d'Ivoire, which paid off with players like Drogba and Yaya Toure, the Toure brothers, and Solomon Kalou, yes, and all of those. I think Nigeria has taken a cue from Ahono and it's beginning to show in one product because now they have a very big pool of talent they can choose from to play, and it's not only happening in the men's side, it's happening in the women's football too because Oshobi say Oshola a star player of Barcelona. Our feature Papa in the past Champions League campaign. Yeah, Barca winning treble, and they've actually gone on to win the sextuple because the team be across the one pass they were on your and as me numeric candidate, me Black Queens Grammy one where some match.
And say poor preparation is what one car. Not just a name one few minutes but Krabia, my miss away. Just the woman it's a Korokotimo out Dubai.
Oh yeah,
so far near Matereno.
And one more about Atletico Arabia.
Atletico
Arabia.
Ewo Dubai.
Second division club.
Second division club.
Yeah. And I one more ebo. 4 p.m. Ghana time. Yeah. And 7 p.m. Dubai time. Yeah. Okay. So Ghana no 4 p.m. Okay. And our mobile and we could see Abrante friend Ongba.
Me player no.
Yeah, Ongba.
And
Thierry Henry, but
Thierry Henry.
Yeah, Thierry Henry Kotoko Akofa no.
Ne level ne Thierry Henry level ne dey Kotoko.
Yeah, inti Thierry. And so ebe to me these are two players I want no ebe make you want so one debut in a friendly game at Diama Kotoko.
And do say one team by any time.
One Atletico Arabia 4 p.m. GMT.
Well, Dubai Premier League.
Yeah.
Dubai Premier League.
Dabi second tier.
Second tier. Yeah, that. If you Premier League, I'll call Division 1. Now if you Division 1, I'll call Division 2. Okay. And you know, now what about 3 matches?
Yeah.
Okay. Now it's 2 games. I'm about winning by.
And then the Kotoko supporters sometimes. You find it's preseason okay because where you gamer. Kotoko should grab the win because it shouldn't be say Okakobo we na we nso akoye lose biana because no Mentias say nei Kotoko ebo second tier ties ewo nei Dubai na untumi nhye no enye friendly because we players na wo start na sometimes say what to say team bi a Chelsea and say Barcelona the first thing about team you go players and say Messi grab obia say what I say. And the lineup will be to me the Premier League and also what will be Jin obey to me the born the best no benyan so far players are was in no and no other 2 matches in
okay
and then the day and then Kotoka say will win the game no
okay
say will win the game
only baby omo game no Nkrofo no matom was akọ check almost about their 40 matches on my ball. Almost just 2 goals. Tio. Okay. They say almost matches on my ball.
What's that? Let's go then.
Arabia.
Atletico Arabia.
Yes.
Atletico Arabia. What's last 14 games?
Almost 14 games on my ball. Almost just 2 goals. And now almost heavy defeat or defeat. I saw mo pa. Bobo Kwan did the regional sport. I saw mo 13-0.
And I'm biggest win, mommy.
I'm winning game here.
I'm winning game here.
I'm winning game back. Cry. I'm last 2 games. My boy, show 8-2. And I'm last game. My boy, show 2-0.
Where ask go for him, so I'm saying I go for no ball war.
And the other,
so the supporters in the too much winning mind. And you know the one by the just a winner.
Yes.
And you know, okay. A Carolina is on a champion with Division 1. And you know, no. My main kind message way off Facebook. We say, Eugene Opoku, I say more fire, guys. And you know, Eugene Chema just more fire. And so, Samson and Theophilus Latte. I say, okay, good afternoon. You guys are great. Keep it up. Theophilus Inside Safari. Greetings goes to everyone watching you and listening to you. God bless you. And also, I don't know, just 2 floors on heavy power. And you know, but you never course. And you know what my problem? Move fi over to my problem 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 Champions League koso sansu na ene no Tony behwe na kawum na ene na mafo frɛ na yes famachi na kawum na ene yɛhwɛ na ultima problem Black Queens ene AFCON qualify no baso sansu na koroko Dubai yi ene omo big game 2 matches omo victory nya mai ene omo ne Atletico Arabia ene about 4 p.m. Ghana time sansu na Champions League nsensem anso no twegu ba bia pese onso no otumi erefa entino mami fo bi wa hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Pacho. Dini baby Afrifi.
Shoemaker, Etiemo Kasasi Roma Junction.
Master Etiemo, ewe mami tio.
Yo, me tia onwa be gwafo na. Who say, Nana, is a Black Queens no. If I who say, what you yashi ndi wo hono. Nti wo nya so do ho be hye mu wo hono. Be be o be nya bi adi no. Enta Black Star ba bo match a. And go start up mo de would da na time no. Me fa enne no pa ya kan ram tito the Black Queens in Nigeria for tournament. Ghana for pay for the aburu there and deal. Kotoko so you win there. You set players. There is set the team no. Because the team that is not sang bar. And they don't want to team. Yamin Shiramo
master team also free Royal Junction. Also between Fraba 0270 191 971. The boy.
Mr. Say, Atletico de
Arabiano. Madrid. Atletico.
Atletico de Arabiano. Volleyball team ana.
Football team.
And the Omo register we are doing matum. Ewo Arabia
golf team.
And there be as Accra Lions show. Oji Accra Lions o show. And to go am na Salem Park. Edukrom Park e kakra ho na friend Salem Park. And they say Demi Park na yegusu ye no. And kura mu ko gina so mo hu ball na mo. O di ase. Ana mo ko tete traders Kumbems. The ko she maso achi. House for enwura na mo ko tete maso achi. Mu shia mema no a Montimi amfa enwura anhye maso achi no. Ana mo je one amokoji mani so yi. Mo kwaji mani so. Ezikoto ko ne de e kakra. Obibini bi abobra abroche na kwaji na home. Obibini bi abobra
Mabra bonus yana.
Abrabona fe ne be shase. Oba vivie ne fe oboga. Do da kokra ko ball nyunwo abroche ba ne fe boga life. Enti boga sine ba. Yeti fe be mu
right and sis bi o sit.
Right and
how many matches?
Right akra kan na popo.
Ano popo say. How many matches?
Can you go? 14 now we can.
Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon, Pacho. Did we be afrefi?
Good afternoon. Within the ACP Mikatafi, the Kopong station.
Kofi Wachi, awia ma ntio.
Ya be jafu a church o nyina. Ya ma mo ne aduma pa mo ye de abo Ghana man ni kwapama nyina. Kaka be pesa me kan say kotokofo nkakra sani ade bia me kan. Ghana ha aya na especially some trophy no. Na one quarter say be a supporter big na baby e ka kotokofo ye pe win sani match ye de. Na o ma be ka say kotoko supporters say asi mi say be a kotoko supporters nyina na reka say sani match ye hia win wo. Yo coach no oguso afise players na free na waba. Na players ni so bi o ha so be say dia sani matches no coach bi o ha player be good obo ball. Wabo bi about 60 minutes no why you nothing. The also show player no one when you want where we. Meanwhile, so try to ball 90 minutes and go back to as a goal and that bisa. You only have to play and one when you want to no assistant or you before Fraba or try or say. It is sending matches in the I am going to go at former coaches and our players now want to try one who know ye now one from the ball leg no na leg no so no you best say and yet one season pen a wobble. Wobble a fee no one far. Mo may to go at former team no. And away yet, and I went to go with the better. No, but don't come the day no walk because coach the pressure so. There's also some for before. And I can ask my tank Woguno. Liverpool, say yes, I walk away and I walk back up here. Next Manchester. That's a Ghana and you miss you know, and a coach way not saying that pressure, but I pump players 3 and I go for pro. The best one more shit team no my na team no yet.
Okay. No SCP on say go team no. Nti wo ye ala na coaching so and she team no and so na awia ma me kamfo Peace Montessori and so enfama adisia de me say ye nti wo ba ho adisia no ma no ehun hia nti ma me kamfo Peace Montessori and so enfama eni na admission no era so ekoso a so betumi ede wo ba no akọ na akọ admission ama no na ono so etumi ekoso ede na daache watumi ede abo ne bra na ne na abfra no from 4 months to basic 5 4 months to basic 5 oba you bet me ejo na afin so no what me abesuade e wo ne crèche na wona toto 51 yes okwa eno so bet me ahwe na abofra no agye na wa kire na de kama na ene school you know admission no e sha 2nd September so that 2nd September and we sha still oguso agye mofra enso e wo na eni je sama wo no se class bia no mofra 12 ene wo class bia mofra 12 ene nye school bia minim wo ko na two mofra gum sabe ayi nkoko yi sa ta se no gum sa na teachers nso nam ha kwa sa ene mofra 12 na wo class bia na teacher ba ko aso da one of ventilation wo mofra ma fa wo it wo kire wan ade na ekwo asum straight ana onye ba bia ba ko na wa bopata na mofra na masa na ntwiri twam afa ho na wo gwan free class na ade nyina Peace Montessori and tesa any infrastructure and facilities no top notch ejana so na class no so da mofra no be 24 no the teacher ba kwa ka ho na teachers nso 2 teacher we for hand we so far na just say keep quiet no e form enye de bia na class I say keep quiet there be as a teacher no bebre aketua nso nya he but in peace Montessori de aketua no so teachers no enso gina wona so bofra no de pa de o kokra ohun se bofra wo ho intene ma men kan for peace Montessori enso enfama na so fa oba no ekopue mu enso ewo ho na ne no ozime fantuga James wo pe teacher fo inti ne mu amawie secondary school ya mutimu do no ene no mo so motimi the application meko the boy wa team abo bill no wetima ko na so wetima ko chara de agozi ase no ko fa mo fra 10 wo inti ne o mo fra no peace Montessori o so wetima ko na wetima ko application akọ na watumi akọbua adekere ene adesua na bibia nso no ayekama peace Montessori enso no ewo hostel junction wo behind the hostel junction and na wa behind the hostel on the hostel road and na watchero want na watchero na American and so wo be impressive colors opposite oha and no peace Montessori ewo bibia ne shoe fabric aba no okwa udu shoe fabrica also pe peace Montessori onso nsa ebetimi aka ho na bibia nso no kama free panyfo 0505 829 261 0505 829 261 and that's 0200 177 676 0200 177 676 Samson 0279 267 523 na kopiem peace Montessori na bibia nso no enkoso enfama oba so ba adisua de mehunhiao nyese na I don't see oba no yana fa no ko na bibia fine atanso na wie Acro Farms se men kanfo eni no won kokọ no spent layers no aba brunya yereba Saturday weekend the music na aka coins na 20 Ghana mo so botimi akọ na to no watimi akọje enkuko ebi spent layers no enkuko na won so no wan to awie na eni no wo no zabi what bicycle so fa so free nti ni wan to awie still one am no ewo ho restaurants and hotels chop bars and na ade no munko piem wa Acro Farms na fin so no mamu sanka spent layers no na mo fandi mo so mujuma na bibia so no enkoso enfama spent layers no ba ku bia 18 Ghana cedis ba ku bia 18 Ghana cedis nti weekend yi mi koje 5 na mama mi anka se makum a se fridge obia bia no wore yes adan mi kum dia se fridge na so ba yene enka kra na bibia so no ay kama sanso na 12-week cockerel so ha ene no ukọ na koton okotobia na se wa be yemo ebeduburu nyam no wanyi na so nya sika so no atumi ade agu kotokuma cockerel so no ba ku 8 Ghana cedis na ja me carpenter senior carpenter na still on mo ade ni wie yo gugu kwa no kwa ni medu obetum enti no carpenter me sraw carpenter ayi ofre na kwadwo ya na bo na wie na me 12 weeks cockerel me nkoje me kwa 200 na sisa da begu apesum na ma ye kakra ebeduburu nyam na so ma ye odefo na sa cockerel si won won pa ni ti yare pa de enya dia ebi abekire sankokwe odo on be frem ofie di mu a waso de ne wo huru fa nkwan so ne adi won enya dia yare bi ebetimi akire wo nti no Acro Farms wa apasare ofi adoso na kokuvodu a udu apasare ansani fa so pe anene Acro Farms so ewo fra Acro Farms mpanyfo 0245 187 871 0245 187 871 and that's 0553 339 355 0553 339 355 na so kopie mu Acro Farms na mansanka onkokọ na awie Okoman radio panyfo se me fantugwa enchims the boy wa fa kwe se ene no o ya sorry company ana suku ankran na pese obo jumadi audi no ye bo hu da room awa bepie mu Okoman radio na yen so no yendi juma no emfama se ye suku ubese amafoti bebia o wo no enka se oton ade togba na oton mo kokko kura na oton na pese ye bo hu da rura ubepie mu ye Okoman radio ya so e betena se na fin so nhye no yen so no yatumi ene why hotel bar food joint no ene no mombra na finse bon dwumadi edawru enso enfama funeral announcement social announcements bi a pese ye edema no obepue mu Okoman radio yes you betumi etumi adi enso no ade ama from Okoman panyefo 0246 435 565 0246 435 565 now so bepue mu na finso no udwumadi no ye bon dawru enso no enfama aha ana be roba kwan na so no yetumi de ene Okoman Global Sports dwumadi no and so no etimi LSC Mamena Buja Forces senior on duty Sansona the boy Jeff Akufu Boatin Sansona Club Yasante the writer commentator Yanana Simendami producer say and you know DJ Tony and a chinchin from Mano and so no Edema Sansona DJ Zigibi social media Facebook no eka edigumu elha just so heavy uso anya bre etie yen eche yen elfie na koponsha na anya okase executive producer Kofi Anson Bafo Minchiano Sanso ne Nana Kwame Perry the finance programs Minchiano Pakwesi onso bebia obia Minchiano for head of sports Nana Okoman and Sumonita from afar and also no Inchiano meeting and Nana Kwame Amponsah Addi ubetima from AK Eyamepa echna esan so ebeshia muchum